Welcome everybody to another edition of Canadian Auto. Today we're in the garage, or the shop, or whatever you want to call it.
We are in your garage, and it's the shop.
Here in my garage. So today we're going to be actually working on Ashton's car. Some of you will remember Ashton from some of our videos way back in the day.
I am the fan favorite.
Yeah.
That is true.
Yeah.
And I know the people miss me. Here I am, making a comeback.
Anyways, so as you can see, or probably not, Ashton's driving a what? A 2008 Honda Civic?
2006 Prime Honda Civic with 125,000 kilometers on it.
Minty.
Minty.
You're fresh. So as a lot of you know, those tuner and racer boys like to cut their exhaust off the Civic. Well, today we're putting an exhaust on because somebody decided to cut theirs off.
So yeah.
So explain that.
So you know how when you're 17 and you want to be cool?
Yeah.
So when I got my car, I was like, I'm going to be a cool guy. So the only way to be cool is to be loud. And so I got our friend Jesse.
Yeah, which a lot of you will also remember from our review videos.
We cut it off, and I've been driving it for about
3 years?
3 years without a muffler now.
Yeah.
And it was cool for probably 2 months.
Yeah.
And now it's so bad.
It's so bad.
It's horrible. So yeah, I'm very excited to put one back on.
Alright. So obviously, we attempted to do this about a month ago, but we decided to do it on the hottest day of the year. So we scrapped that and we're doing it today because it's cooler.
Yes.
But we were like, oh, it's got the flange on the car, it's got the flange on the muffler, let's just bolt it back on. Well, the bolts were rusted on. One hit with a hammer and it fell off. Oh, actually, this piece right here that's supposed to go on the muffler. But it didn't work, so we're going to improvise. So today we're going to cut the flange off this one, going to fire up our welder, weld it on, hope it works.
Hopefully be a quiet boy after.
Let's get started.
Yeah, the little black things with a little handle and stuff.
Alright. Got our fitting disc. Alright, so now we need exhaust pumps.
No. God. You are not. For your truck?
Yeah.
Did you just impulsively buy that? You psycho.
Exhaust clamp.
Oh my god, well we should have measured that beforehand, eh?
We did last time. I don't remember it though.
Wasn't it like 2 1/4?
Well, you know what? Let's just do like that. 2 1/2. 1 7/8. We'll just cover our bases. And then we'll return whatever doesn't fit.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Well. Alright, so we're finally back from Princess Auto. We're finally going to get down to work. This has already taken us like 2 hours longer than it should have.
Why has it taken us 2 hours max?
So I'm not the smartest and don't measure and didn't think this through and got the wrong size. And you know what? Let's just do this.
Yeah, let's get it done.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do a cut in our exhaust so our piece will fit. Because it will fit, but it's a little snug. And then test fit it on the car and go from there. Didn't quite think this one through. Oh, hey. Ooh, that's warm. I'll make a slit in this. Let it stand. There we go.
What the fuck? Yeah, a little bit, eh? What the fuck are you doing? It's so unsafe, Max! Ah! So what are we doing now?
Going to work it, baby. Work it. Oh!
You genius boy, you!
Oh, is that too far? Maybe a little.
Maybe I spoke too soon?
Now we'll test fit it into the car. Alright, so now we are going to do one of my favorite parts, welding. Kind of just guesstimating our amperage wire speed. That'll dictate how hot the welder burns and how fast it fits wire. With our trusty Lincoln welder, love this thing. Rebuilt quarter panels, whole bunch of stuff. So first, we are going to untangle this, put the ground clamp on. The closer you can put your ground clamp to your weld, the better. And then,
This is a mint setup with the step ladder and...
hey, you know what? It works, okay?
Oh, it sure does, absolutely. I'm ready. Ouch! Fuck! Ow!
What?
It sparks me.
Hey. So that's kind of... There you go. Not bad. Alright, so now got the new cutting disc on. I'm going to head under the car, cut the end off the car so we have clean slates on both sides. Then we got to run back to Canadian Tire because I messed up again. Because why would I measure? Anyways, let's get going.
And this is the boy. That is yucky. Max, that's so gross.
Yeah, I know. Alright, so now we got that end cut off. We got our other end cut off. Now we're going to run back to Canadian Tire, make sure we get the right size piping, which I should actually probably measure.
Didn't we measure last time? And
We did, but we didn't write it down. Yeah, hope for the best. Catch you at Canadian Tire. Yeah.
Well, obviously, if you aren't able to tell, we clearly didn't film when we went to Canadian Tire. Totally forgot to film the process. The fact it took so long for this whole process didn't really help. We were tired, forgetful. But anyways, enjoy the rest of the video.
that's spray paint?
Yep. Excited?
Yep.
It's so loud, I can't hear you. Give it a rev. Wow. All right. You can drive out if you want. I know. You don't have to go in the garage, just park there. Well, thanks for tuning in to another edition of Canadian Auto. This in real life took a lot longer than it should have for something so simple. But once we actually had the pieces, it was done in what, 10 minutes, not even?
Yeah, easy peasy.
That's how things work in the garage, you know. It's like, okay, this should usually take me an hour. Turns into a whole day project. So,
Correct.
food for thought, the next time somebody asks you how long something's going to take, just plan all day. Simple as that. Anyways, worked out good, it looks good. You probably can't see it on the camera. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to catch you on the next episode. I'm sure they'll see you again sometime.
You bet.
You're probably going to be behind the camera more now. Maybe. We'll see how things go. So thanks for watching another edition of Canadian Auto. Take care.